Hi, today I am going to talk to you about the last 180 days of Key Biscayne real estate market. Well, the market leans towards the buyers, but there is this false appearance on buyers thinking that they can wait for this bargain that they are going to achieve waiting, and that's not realistic. Key Biscayne has been one of the latest markets around Miami to correct its pricing, but there are properties selling and some ranges have been corrected, so you might be losing that dream opportunity of owning a home or condo in the island of Key Biscayne. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into some figures so you have, an idea of what has been happening in the Key Biscayne real estate market. In 2015, the median average price sale was around $1.2 million. Today, ending 2019, the median average price is around the low 900,000. So, if you do your math, you have, more or less plus minus 20-something% reduction as a whole in the real estate market in Key Biscayne. So that means that when people say that the market is slow, houses do not sell, Key Biscayne hasn't corrected its pricing. Well, Key Biscayne has been correcting its pricing. The problem is that you need to see what are the properties ranges that have been corrected, and that's where you need to focus with your real estate agent that you trust or that you work with, because a lot of opportunities are out there. You just are not actually knowing where they are. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit more on other figures that I have for you to see. Before I share with you this other data, I want to add something related to pricing. Pricing is related to many factors, and doing the research, you can see exactly when is the time that the market tells you it's the time to buy. You can actually, if you trust a realtor that is good with researching the data, it's out there. You can actually see exactly when is the right time to say, this property is not going to go down. And yes, there is a lot of property too that needs the pricing to be corrected. But if you find that, or your realtor is telling you to wait, well, if you don't put offers and you don't start negotiating, then you're not going to get the house. And that's really what you need to understand. Waiting for something to happen, it doesn't come. You need to, if you really want to own a house, you need to come forward, because the same way you think that you're going to get a bargain, with the interest that we're having right now, well, owners might just end up refinancing and you might lose your opportunity. So let's get back to see how properties are selling. The towers, for instance, 8 units have been sold in the last 180 days, and the price per square foot is going from $350 a square foot to $600 a square foot. Then another example of how properties are selling, the Commodores. The Commodores sold 10 units, and the pricing per square foot went from $400 a square foot to $775 a square foot. So Key Colony, 6 properties were sold in Key Colony, and the same, the price per square foot was $460 all the way to $670. Marasol sold 4 properties, and their pricing per square foot is around, from $340 to $400 a square foot. That's what the pricing is in Marasol. And if you go on the rest of the buildings, you will see how pricing has been corrected and properties have been selling. So don't wait. You might lose that opportunity. Again, it's just a matter of understanding when is the right time and where are these properties that have corrected the pricing. And that's what realtors are for. So having said that, I invite you to do your research, because yes, there are some ranges that need to be corrected, but if you want to own a property in Key Biscayne, this is the time. Don't wait. Thank you very much. You'll hear from me next time. I'm thinking about what other subjects I'm going to bring up. Have a great holidays. Thank you now. Bye.